Lesson 1. Air Law and Operational Procedures. When flying under ICAO and Oman CAA regulations, understanding right-of-way and standard procedures is essential. Let's start with converging aircraft. According to ICAO Annex 2, if two aircraft converge at approximately the same altitude, the aircraft that has the other on its right must give way by altering heading to the right to pass clear behind. What if you are intercepted by a military fighter? If the fighter rocks its wings, flashes its navigation lights, and executes a slow left turn, this signal means you have been intercepted and must follow them. You must acknowledge by rocking your wings, flashing your lights, and following. During approach, understanding your visual cues is critical. On a precision approach runway, ICAO Annex 14 dictates that runway centerline lights are variable white until 900 meters from the end. Between 900 and 300 meters, they alternate red and white, and for the final 300 meters, they are solid red. In the air, collision avoidance relies on TCAS 2. This system gives traffic advisories, or TAs, which are amber circles alerting you to nearby traffic without requiring maneuvers. But if you get a resolution advisory, or RA, which displays as a red square with pitch commands, you must respond immediately. If an RA contradicts an air traffic control instruction, you must follow the TCAS guidance over ATC, notifying them as soon as your workload permits. Finally, if you operate in reduced vertical separation minimum, or RVSM airspace between flight levels 290 and 410, you need specific equipment. Oman CAR FCL mandates 2 independent altitude measurement systems, 1 automatic altitude keeping system, an altitude alerting system, and at least 1 SSR transponder, Mode C or Mode S.